Hi, welcome to Big Bluebird Haiku, Twitter haiku made easy for low vision users via EasyChirp. Twitter plus haiku equals the perfect union of 3 lines broken into 5, 7, 5 syllables in 140 characters or less. Stay with me and I'll show you how to 1. Access your Twitter account through EasyChirp, 2. How to search for and follow Twitter users posting haiku, and 3. How to contribute your own haiku. By way of introduction, my name is Virginia Dodier. This is a web accessibility project for a class in information technology with the Emporia State University Masters in Library Science distance program based here in Portland, Oregon. I was inspired to do this project by a situation I observed at my last job, which was in a museum. We had a poetry group that met once a week. At the library next door, there was a low vision group that met once a week. I thought, what if those two groups had gotten together? So that's my starting point, connecting the low vision community with the poetry community through haiku or Twaiku, or as it's even sometimes called, Twaiku. So let's get started. Here's the EasyChirp home page. You can link to it from this page. EasyChirp won an accessibility award a few years ago from the National Foundation for the Blind, and as you can see, the award was well deserved. I've adjusted the font size on this page using the Control key and the plus key to make it larger, or you can easily make it smaller by using Control minus or hyphen. And by the way, you can use these shortcuts to adjust the font size on any website. I have a Twitter account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Pressing the Sign In button takes me to a page asking if I will give EasyChirp access to my Twitter account, and I'm going to agree, which takes me to the EasyChirp homepage. And here you can see my Twitter username, Big Bluebird Haiku, plus information about my account and the menu across the center here. Below all this is the timeline, which displays tweets from users that I follow from this account. I'll now show you how to find new tweets and new users to follow. We'll go to Search. And to search the tweets, we'll enter a hashtag, which is the number sign, and as you can see, it defaults to hashtag haiku, and press search. This brings up a list of tweets that contain the hashtag or subject tag, that is, haiku. Now, you'll have to press the older button to see older tweets. And this is what we come up with. Just go through the list and find what you like. I like this tweet. I think I'll follow this user. So I access that user's account, and I just press follow under the username. It will take a second to update my account. And now I am following Ivan Garissa. Another method of searching for users is to add to your account is to search by username. So we'll go back to search, and I'll go to search users, and I'll use Twaiku as a username or part of a username, and I'll search users. And let's see, I think I'm already following some of these people, and I will try this person. Haiku Twitters for the Soul. No, I am not following Twaiku, so I will. Okay, all done. Now I've added 2 more users to those that I was already following. I'll go to my personal timeline and see what's going on with those that I follow. Okay. You know, after reading these contributions, I feel inspired to contribute a haiku of my own. If your haiku technique is a little rusty, brush up with the howcast.com video that you can access from the homepage of Big Bluebird Haiku. As I type in my haiku, I'll separate the lines with a / or a tilde. Remember to add the hashtag haiku and whatever other hashtag is relevant and will fit. Poetry is another good hashtag to add. Okay, that's it. Now I'll press post to send it out to the Twitterverse and see what happens. Okay, there it is. Thanks for listening and watching, and happy Twaikuing. Bye!